Ingersoll Rand 1/4 inches Air Ratchet Wrench is small, durable, easy to handle for car repair technicians, and ideal for use with threaded fasteners. Its aluminum housing and steelhead construction increase the tool's durability, while the ergonomic coupling nut and handle with smooth edges advance user comfort. 25 feet-pounds of maximum torque and 250 revolutions per minute free speed supply plenty of power to complete any project quickly. The low-profile forward reverse control device has a wide diameter, which makes it easy to grip and prevents the user from accidentally changing directions in confined spaces. This reputation has been built on consistent performance and comes with a 1-year limited repair warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. The Ingersoll Rand pneumatic ratchet wrench delivers up to 25 feet-pounds of torque at a free speed of 250 RPM, providing comfort, durability, and impressive power. Number 2. Better access. The compact tool can easily tackle jobs in tight spaces and work with small or stubborn bolts, screws, and other fasteners. Number 3. Increased control. The low-profile forward reverse control has a wide diameter for easy gripping and increased control in confined spaces. Number 4. Comfort and safety. Ergonomic coupling nut and handle ensure a comfortable grip with no sharp edges. Its ball dent anvil provides a more secure link to the socket, increasing operator safety. Number 5. Reliable durability. Unique head construction provides improved durability. Every component, mechanism, and function has undergone rigorous testing to ensure long-lasting performance, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.